Hello, and over here I've got a Kea Kompakt 55 from Mobilvetta design, originally introduced for the 2025 season, so it's now got a little bit 2024 season, so it's now got a little bit of history behind it. See, there must be one or two of you out there who've actually bought one of these things, very similar to other products produced by other companies in the Caravan group. 86,000 plus, 636 centimeters long, 215 in width. Now, the point of something like this, a compact van, almost the dimensions of a camper van, but it's a motorhome. Almost, but not quite. Yeah, I agree. 215 centimeters. It is a bit wider. Huge living area here at the front. We've got here, you can see even they've got this, the seat belt sticking out. Under there, under this thing here, you've got a forward-facing seat, and under this one, you've also got a forward-facing seat. So you can seat 4. This will also here turn into a bed. The advantage of this, though, I think, is hit the rear. Toilet here. You've got the shower there. So this becomes a dressing room. You've got this enormous wardrobe here, absolutely enormous wardrobe. Fantastic amount of space in there for carrying clothes around. So that I think that's absolutely brilliant in my opinion. And also you can see you've got access to your garage from down there. Here got a sink, and of course we can close this door by moving this thing here along, should we so desire. Bed, fixed bed is up there, and that will drop down. Here, molded sink, and we have 2 burners in there as well. Here we've got a very large drawer, and under here we've got a place of knives and forks, plus 2 pillows. Very good. Other side we'll find we've got a fridge. Let's have a look outside. That's your cassette toilet, and here we've got this large space for the garage, and you can easily get, well, at least one bike, probably get 2 bikes in there. So it's relatively attractive looking. Nice door with a window and a bin for the dog's lead. So that's you could actually, I think, live in one of those full time. It's got a lot there going for it, but we do need to get a bit of feedback, which I can't give you because I haven't used it, and so far nobody has written to say they've got one of these and how good or not it is. So until I get some feedback, I can't say one way or the other. Incidentally though, Adria also do a compact motorhome somewhat similar, and to be quite honest, I think I prefer the Adria to the Mobilvetta, but that's just my opinion. But that's just a light preference. It's not something which absolutely I could change my mind on that one. If you look at the description, there'll be more information there, including vehicle specs. I'm trying to do that now, be more tight on the description, more information in there, because to be quite honest, I've got thousands of videos and it's difficult for me to remember all the details every single time of every vehicle. I also have a membership of this channel. Now, membership costs £5 or €6 or $6, and one of the advantages is not only do you get hundreds of videos which are not available to the non-members, you also have access to me for advice and consultancy when you decide, or if you decide, to buy a vehicle or for some other problems that you might have. But for the moment, from me in Stuttgart, thanks very much for watching. All the best. Bye for now.